Biba Daisy. Okay, so Dolphin 3. You're going to listen to the story about Sirena. Can we say the legend of Sirena? Come on again. Get ready, go. The legend of Sirena. So you're going to listen and you are going to find out who the characters are. And characters can be what? People or animals. Okay? So you're going to tell me who the characters are in the story. And then you're going to tell me where did the story happen. And the setting tells us where the story happened. So make sure you pay attention, okay? Okay, so let's see. It's a poem legend. Okay, let's read it. Everyone, get ready to go. The Legend of Sirena. Again. The Legend of Sirena. Yes.
There once was a playful young woman named Sirena. Sirena lived near the Haganya River. She loved the water and many times would swim instead of do her chores. One day, Sirena's Nana sent her to gather coconuts. While gathering coconuts, Sirena could not resist the river and went for a swim. Sirena's godmother happened to stop by for a visit while her Nana waited for Sirena to return. Her Nana became angry and angry at the thought of Sirena swimming instead of doing her chores. Angry and displeased, Serena's Nana cursed her daughter and said that Sirena loves the water more than Sirena gave her final farewell to her mother before she swam out to sea.
So did you like the story? So who is the story about? Sirena. Is she the character? Say Sirena. It's the main character. Yes. It's the story is about who? Sirena, right? So she is the main character. Who are the other characters? Sirena and who else? Nana. And who's Nana? Mama? Everyone say Mama. And who else is in the story? We have Sirena, we have Nana, and who else? One more. Everyone say her godmother. Again, her godmother. Yeah, so what happened in the story? Was Nana upset with Serena? Was she angry? Why? Who can tell me? Why was Nana upset? Awesome. Good listener. Yes. Everyone say because she didn't do her chore. Go put one. Good job. And I know Vincent Ray was about to say it too, right? So go ahead and put one too after McCabe comes back. Okay, so she didn't do her chores. And so Nana cursed her. Everyone say cursed. That means Nana got mad at her, right? Nana got mad at her and said to her what? I wish you turned into a fish. Everyone say fish. So put one, yes, fish. Everyone say guihan. How do we say fish in tomorrow? Guihan. Again, guihan. So did she become a fish? Yes, right? And what about her godmother? Her godmother told her to stay as human. What part of her body has to stay as human? From her waist to her head, right? Everybody say from her waist to her head. Will remain. Uh-oh. Will remain as a human, right? As a girl. Yes. So everybody say half girl, half fish. So Serena was sad. Everyone say Christy. How do we say sad in tomorrow? Tristy, right? Again, how do we say it? Tristy means what? Sad. Tell me sad. Yes, she was very sad because she couldn't see her mom no more, right? When her legs turned into a fin, into a fish, could she go see her mom? No, so she couldn't be on land anymore. But she was happy because she could what? She could swim in the ocean all day and all night. Yes? Everyone say Ongan. So what is the title of the story? The Legend of Sirena. Again, the Legend of? Yes. Did you like the story? Yes. And you're going to color the picture of Sirena and you're going to write the sentence about Sirena. Can we say Sirena is pretty? Sirena is bonita? Sirena loves to swim. Sirena is half fish. Serena is half girl. Serena is half human. Everyone say Maulik. So quietly go back and what do you say to mom and dad? Ugwaiza, ha, woohoo! And good job to Adrian and Sabrina. Are you practicing your letter naming? Yeah. Awesome. Okay, so what do we say to mom? Ugwaiza? How? Woohoo! And what do you say to mom and dad? Ugwaiza, how you're you're bonita. Bonita. And then what do you say to mom and dad? You're so bonita. Woohoo! Boys and girls, what do we say to our family? Ugwaiza? And everyone says it's almost time to go home. Okay, so what do we say? Adjust. And then Dorothy Ann, can I see your awesome drawing? Awesome drawing? Dorothy Ann. To mom and dad, you're awesome Serena. Woohoo! And dance, dance, dance. Woohoo! All right, and then Dolphin dance. Show your awesome Serena. Bonita, say Bonita. Emerald, move back. We are too close, Emerald. Be safe. And let me see your awesome coloring. And where's your sentence? What does it say? Woohoo! And dance, dance, dance. And more sentence? Let me see. Is so pretty. Woohoo! True, very true. And number two. Okay, boys and girls, go change. Undress because we're late to go home. Dress up now. I'm sorry, undress now. Loves to swim. Woohoo! And the third one. Stay apart, not too close. Is nice? Nice. Woohoo! Okay, thank you, Sabrina. Thank you, Adrian. Go back. Time to go home. Everyone say time to go home. And we are late. Boys and girls, what's our safety rule? Can we be right next to our friends? No. Be smart, stay apart. Okay, thank you, Jovenas. Awesome. Very nice. Okay. Let me see your Serena. Stay apart, McCaven. We are too close. Is Serena pretty? Woohoo! Bonita. She's very bonita. Sabrina, we are too close. Serena? Serena is bonita. Woohoo! Wow. Nice. She's a mermaid. Yes, she is. Undress now. Come on, time to go home. Woohoo! Last one is the Serena. Okay, let me see. Stay apart, not too close to her. Let's move back. Let me see your smile. Emerald. Let me see. Bonita. Just like Serena. Woohoo! Okay, next one. McCaven. Let me see your awesome writing. Woohoo! And what did you write about? Did you write about Serena? Okay, let me see the front. Let me see the coloring. Woohoo! Say the legend of Serena. Let's see who's sitting. All right, let me see your awesome smile. Island smile. Woohoo! McCaven Selbart. All right, so boys and girls, we are late. So hurry, hurry. Look at the time. Oh, we are really, really late. Everyone say almost 2:30. And everyone say Biba JMG. Everyone say Biba that's tomorrow. Everyone say Happy Friday. Ugwaisa how? Yeah, so this ends our day on March 18, 2022. Biba Guam. Oh, hold on, Miss Goodness.